How to leave group on Roblox mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to leave group on Roblox mobile. First thing, go to Roblox. First let's go back, and first thing click this 3 points here in the bottom corner, and now click groups and select the group you want to leave, like this one, and then click this 3 points in the top corner and click leave group, and yes, and as you see, the group has been removed from my groups. And that's how to leave a group on Roblox mobile. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. And thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video.